Students, welcome to the course again. If you haven't navigated the course online yet or haven't signed up to the publisher website, I'm going to give you in this video instructions how to do so. It's a very short video. So you go to hfcc.edu, you click on students, I'm going to click on employees, I'm going to sign in. Let's see why it didn't. So I'm going to I logged in. And then you click on HFC online. And then you scroll down to your course, either section 98 or 99. I'm going to click on one of them. This is first day of classes. My welcome letter that I sent via email. It's attached right here. I would like you to watch this video right here to learn from the to learn how to get started in this course. And then when you go to my lab statistics later, there is another video from the author himself. I would like you to watch this one. So please spare an hour or so for this. So then you will be comfortable with the course and you would know your way around and you know how to study in this course. There is also a scavenger hunt. You would need to read the syllabus first in order to do it. This is a bonus activity. I would like you to get it done by Wednesday. And let's see. This is a clickable course syllabus if you want to view that, or you can click right here, Math 141 syllabus, and you see the entire syllabus. It's very important to understand how you're going to be graded in this course. This is a forum where I'm asking you to break the ice and introduce yourself. So please do that so I get to know you better, so I can serve you better in this class. And after the end of each chapter, there's going to be a forum where I post questions and you post your answers there and you get credit for this. So the forums are going to be right here. And for each week, I have a summary page that highlights what you're going to be learning each week. So this is week one activity. Before even you start the chapter on the publisher website, please refer to this page. And in addition to what you're going to be doing online on the Pearson website, I provide some support materials. For example, as you notice here, there are summaries of the sections that you're going to be learning. So if you need to refer to the summary to review that chapter, please feel free to do that. And once you are done with week one, you proceed to week two activities and so on and so forth. So this is the course website. This is the Moodle part of the course. Now I'm going to show you the publisher part, which is the important part. All the course contents are on my lab statistics. How do you access my lab statistics? So you're going to click on this one. Everybody, all students would have to go through this. So you're going to click here. I'm already signed up, so it's not gonna give me direction how to sign up. So, and just follow direction. Click on launch courseware and follow a direction. It takes a minute. If you have a Pearson account, it's gonna ask you to enter the username and password. If not, it's gonna ask you to create one. This is all you have to do, and you're in. And then you click on Open My Lab and Mastering. And here you go. We're in the course. Chapter 1. So here's how you start in the course. You gotta start right here. Interactive assignments. Start here. Chapter 1. This is what you're gonna be learning in chapter 1. And then section 1.1, you click on it. Each section, guys, has a read and interact and assess. The read and interact replaces the traditional textbook that you know of. So you really need to go through this to learn the material. And after you finish the interactive assignment, then it will allow you to do the homework of this particular section. So let me just show you an example. So click on section 1.1 interactive assignment. I'm sorry, it's taken a little bit longer. And then you start the assignment. And this is a define statistical and statistical thinking, for example. And it's so the interactive assignment is a combination of text, video, audio, exercises, slides, applets. You just click here and watch the video that he explains what statistics and statistical thinking, for example, right here.
So to begin with, we want to define what statistics is, and we also want to discuss what it means to.
And then once you're done with this video, guys, you just click on this arrow and you advance to the next page. The great thing about this interactive textbook, all the videos are done by the authors themselves. There are two of them, so they're done by them. So you're going to see consistency in the coverage of the material because the author himself recorded and created the videos. And once you finish with objective 1, you go to objective 2, objective 3, objective 4, objective 5. And there are going to be some graded exercises along the way when you do the interactive assignment. Make sure to do the exercises. Your goal should be to get 100% on the interactive assignment. However, I set up the interactive assignments to allow you to do the homework of the section. Like section 1.1 interactive assignment has a section 1.1 homework. I set it up in a way that if you score 70% on the interactive assignment, you will be able to do the homework. But remember, your goal should be 100% on the interactive assignment and 100% on the homework itself. Here, for example, objective 4, distinguish between what is a discrete variable and continuous variable. It will give you examples. Hide, and then you advance to the next page. This is a video. And now this is an exercise. Determine whether the quantitative variable is discrete or continuous, the weight of gravel in a pile. Okay, so he's asking whether this is continuous or discrete. Discrete means you can count as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like number of students in a classroom is discrete. Continuous, you cannot count like 1, 2, 3. Weight is not discrete, it's continuous. Because it's not exactly a 1 pound or 2 pound or 3 pound. It could be 1.5, 2.5, 2.25, etc. So anything that can be measured exactly as a whole number is called discrete variable. And otherwise, anything that you have to use a tool to measure it, it will not be discrete. It's continuous. So based on that one, we know that the weight is continuous, and we say it is continuous because it's not countable. We cannot count it as 1, 2, 3. So this is for the interactive assignment. Once you finish the interactive assignment, you can proceed to the homework of section 1.1 and so on and so forth. And once you finish section 1.1, you go to section 1.2 and 1.3, 1.4, 1.5. And once this is done, there is a quiz. I'm going to show it to you for that chapter right here. Okay. At the end of each chapter, there is a quiz. So here's chapter one quiz. You take it, you have three attempts on the quiz. So if you're not happy with your score on the first attempt, you have two other attempts, and the system will record the highest score. For the homework, you have unlimited attempt, but if it is a multiple choice, it will not give you unlimited attempt. It is a free response. You can try as many times as you like, but remember, multiple choice probably one or two attempts uh, at max. Um, Let me tell you about the guided notebook. The guided notebook, if this is optional, if you like to do it, right here, for example, you can download the guided notebook for chapter one, and take notes on it as you watch the video, as you do the interactive assignments. Very helpful. I used to require it in the past. I'm not requiring it this semester, but students find it very helpful to retain the knowledge that they acquire while doing the interactive assignments. If you like, to do it, if you have a printer, just download the guided notebook. I have a PDF version and a Word document version, and put it in front of you as you watch the video and take notes on it, and just keep it for later when you want to review for the exams. But just remember, if you download the guided notebook, it doesn't match 100% with the interactive assignments because I omitted some stuff. So make sure you omit the same stuff that I omit online from the guided notebook. So if a section is omitted, then it will be, you don't need to study it in the guided notebook. For example, look at chapter 1. You notice section 1.6 is crossed off, so you don't need, to learn this one. And there are some objectives in the sections themselves that I omit, so you don't have to worry about those ones that we omit. Uh, this is the e-text. It's available all the time. Even after the due date, you can always go to that e-text. These are the interactive assignments, but without the graded exercise. You won't be able to do any exercises after the due date, and if you click on the e-text. So, if you want to review and go back, the e-text is always available. Uh, Multimedia library. Let me show you this one right here. If you guys want to search for videos, for example, in chapter 1, so let's say section 1.1, you just want to watch the videos there, find now, and look, these are the videos. You can just watch the videos. This is your grade book. So you click on it and you'll be able to monitor your progress in the semester through the gradebook. StatCrunch is a software that we're going to be using later in the semester. I'm going to allow you to use StatCrunch throughout the semester to do most of the work in the course. I'll be sending you emails about this and information, not in chapter 1. Chapter 1 is mainly terminologies. Study plan is optional for students who want to be ahead and work at their very own pace. You can do that, but I don't require that. Uh, so you can just practice practice on your own in the study plan. But most students don't. They just follow my timeline for to study the course material. So this is very much it. And guys, remember to watch the preface to student from the author himself. The video. It's very useful. Is very good. So with the author and myself, I will be supporting you guys day by day throughout the semester. I'll be supporting you with my own videos, with my own reviews, with my own study guides for the tests. So between the authors of the textbooks and myself, I'm hoping that your experience will be a positive one in this semester. Let me know if any questions. I'm going to stop the video now.